My friends with hooded eyes, this is for you. I'm showing you how I create a really nice lift effect with my eyeshadow and create a wing liner despite the hood in our eyes. The first thing you're gonna do is grab a tissue paper and run that along the edge of your eye. This is gonna help with placement and creating some lift. And with that transition shade, you're going to put it up above the crease. We're not going to tuck it into that fold, losing the color. We're going to place it higher towards the brow bone, and this is going to create some lift and giving the illusion of more lid space. Now with a slightly deeper shade, I'm going to continue to run it along the edge again for that precision and lift, but I am going to place that deeper shade above the fold of the eye, just above that crease area, and that's going to give the illusion of more depth and also giving the illusion of more lid space. Grab a new tissue paper and fold it. Now this is the fun part. Grab a really creamy, fun gel liner. The most important part with placement is that we are focusing the gel liner just below the crease of our eye. So we don't want to put it in the hood. We want to put it just underneath the hood. As you can see where I placed it, doesn't have to be clean and precise because we're going to smudge it out with a eyeshadow pencil. But like I said, the most important part is it is not tucked into the hood. It is just below the fold of our eye. If you want to, you can smudge that into the outer corner as well. Like I said, doesn't have to be precise, but look how much lifted my eye looks on this side. I feel like it's smoky. Nothing is tucked underneath the hood, and that is the most important part. Again, we want to create the illusion of more lid space, so grab a lighter shimmer shade and add that to the rest of the lid on the inner corner, keeping the outer corner darker. And again, for a more lifted look, focus your mascara on the outer corner of your eyes, adding more volume right there. And hooded eyes where? You can barely tell I have hooded eyes. Nothing is tucked under there. There's no Nike swoosh. I have really nice depth on the outer corner, and I hope this helps. Let me know if you try this.